Hey, welcome back. Check this shit out. 2 years I've had this thing. Haven't ever been able to get to start correctly. See if it stays running here, but I've been dicking around all kinds of stuff on this thing. I got a Shirai lithium battery. I did the GY6 starter on it, which seems insane to me, but that would be better than the original one, but that's how underpowered they are, I guess. I don't know. Everybody's got an opinion on that. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. I had to, I think the key was the throttle position sensor, loosened it, 2 Phillips head screws, rotated counterclockwise, top towards the rear of the vehicle. And that brought my minimum throttle position down, because it was like 54. It's down to like 45 now. So that's pretty badass. And I guess that's a really huge thing about, it's just so fucking short, too short for this fucking bike. Oh, all right, here we go. Just gonna run around the block, make sure it's good. And I'll stall it out, of course. Try this again. It's a little twitchy. Still feels a little weird. I need to play with the slack in the throttle though too. Yeah, so there's like some little bit of slack in the throttle. I gotta clean that up. Hate having that. That might be part of why it just feels, it's just like really twitchy coming off idle or changing the gear. Goddamn tolls though. If you're looking for property, Kelsey Burns has this chunk of land for sale. All right. Oh, we'll wait because there's a motorcycle accident here not less than last week, so I don't want to be another one. Yeah, wants to just shoot out from underneath you. Know how accurate the speedometer is. Fucking guineas. Gonna run over one of those fuckers. Look at that, neutral. Nothing like the Grom. Crazy. Okay, I have to get off the bike first before I put the fucking kickstand down, because I'm so goddamn short. See what the oil's doing. Oil level. You gotta check it when it's warmed up. Between the mid and the max, so it should be good. Looks really dark. I'll probably end up changing it here soon. The oil that was in there, I don't know if that fucking guy ever changed it at all, to be honest with you. I don't think he did shit to this bike for 10 years that he had it. He didn't wash it. He admitted to that. He seemed pretty proud about that. I'm like, okay, whatever. Yeah, so it runs, it lives. So we'll see, seeing some, anytime you turn one of these motherfuckers, any of these, trying not to cuss as often, but that's not going too well. Anytime you turn one of these off, you gotta turn it off at the switch there. Otherwise, you'll shear the key off the flywheel or something. If I gotta keep, yeah, that'll keep running. Nope. See if it'll start. Yeah. Oh damn. This is crazy. You gotta leave the. You gotta shut it off with the switch, not the key, like I said, because it'll shear the keyway off. I guess they're too soft. There's too much of a jolt, and it'll just I want to go this way, and the other one will keep going that way. It's called inertia, folks. I don't know. I'm kind of excited to have this done, but it's a fast bike. It's a big bike, and it felt kind of weird riding it, to be honest with you. I gotta fix that throttle slack. It's horrible, and hopefully that'll smooth things out a little bit. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you like these dumb videos I do. I changed the fender from it was red. I put a black one on there. I got other ones, plenty of extra parts, so that's good. I did that. What else have I done to it? That's about it, really. Took that dumb sticker off that was on there. No idea what it meant. I might put the stock tank back in instead of this bigger one because it makes the seat look all. It's like really screwed up here. There's a spacer behind there for the side panel too, so that'll bring that in and hopefully bring it down and maybe, I don't know, be where it's supposed to be or something, because it just seems weird the way that fits. Seats are uncomfortable enough being stock. I think I gotta lube the chain. I gotta take care of that. The sprockets are getting kind of worn too, but we'll probably just leave those for now. And brakes feel good. I think that's it. Change the oil once I ride it. Well, hell, I'll probably just change it now. Ride it. Insurance, gotta get insurance for it, maybe. No, I'll get insurance. So hopefully in the next video, or hopefully in the future, I'll be seeing some more videos, doing some, I don't know what the hell I'm going to do on it, MotoVlogs or Sumo Stunters is down in Southern Ohio this year. It's like a nationwide event. They travel around and have it in different cities. So I'm going to take this down with a KG Rollo, or Keg Rollo as I say it, but just because I know it's wrong. But he has a KTM 500 EX or what, I don't know my KTM numbers. I know it's a 500 and it's a KTM and it's badass, and he can scrape that bitch and do all kinds of crazy stuff that I will never do, and I'm probably not even going to try on this thing, but I'll try it on the Grom, of course. I don't know, I'm just rambling. I'm just happy to finally have this thing start and to actually be able to use it instead of having just a big chunk of money sitting there aggravating me the entire time every time I look at it, which is not good. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully see you out on the next group ride. If you don't have a Grom yet, buy a Grom. If you don't have one of these yet, don't buy one. They suck. I'll talk to you later. Bye.